Hello, I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen. And today in the kitchen, we're going to talk about what are we going to do next. Now, it's 22 degrees outside. While it's beautiful, the sun's shining, and I'm enjoying the sunshine, the thing of it is that spring is coming. Now, I went out a few minutes ago and drove past the lake, and the bushes, the forsythia bushes along the lake are in full bloom. Those yellow forsythias are just blooming profusely. And it's 21 degrees outside, and it is 1 p.m. So, I'm hoping that they continue to do well, and probably their blossoms will last much longer because it is so cool. Now, something happened. When I saw the yellow, saw them in bloom, saw the beautiful blue skies and the sunshine, you know what happened. I got spring fever. Oh my goodness, I have spring fever so bad. And all I could think about is, what shall I do next? Because as you know, I just finished winterizing this kitchen. So it is time now to start thinking about what I'm going to do for spring. So I'm going to show you a few things that I think you might like. I went to a consignment store and also to Goodwill and another little antique shop, and I found some of the cutest things. Number one, I found this cute little bunny. Now I have seen this bunny. See those glasses? Well, what do you think? I think with a little girly it up, this little bunny is going to be just perfect. And I'm trying to decide exactly where the best place is going to be for this cute little bunny. And with bunny, we need pink. We need some pink. Pink, spring, all of those things go together. All I can think is peonies, pink peonies, absolutely. So I'm going to be thinking about this wreath right here and what I'm going to do with it, because all of the winter will eventually come down. And over on the, let's see if I can turn you around carefully, but over on the pantry doors, the winter is going to have to come down. And spring is going to be in the air. Look on top of the refrigerator. We did that too. And guess what? Winter is going to have to come down. So my little bunny and I are sitting here and we're taking a look at the bird cage. Now, I found something that I think is going to be cute. No, I didn't find any cardinals. No cardinals yet. But, of course, I can use my little cardinals that are already a part of the bird cage. So I'm thinking about what I'm going to do, because I may even actually start with the bird cage for spring. Now, I'm thinking the bird cage is going to need to have some kind of beautiful swag, just to draw the eye. It's spring, we want flowers, we're going to have something beautiful on the wreath, we're going to need something beautiful right here, and in the midst of that will be birds. And so, let me show you the cute little bird that I found. All right, now let's take a look at this little bird. He's so cute. Here he is. Look at his little wings. They're nice little tips. And I'm thinking I'm going to have to do a little brushing on him. He's not wood, even though he really does kind of have a woodsy look. And he had a little boo-boo on his tail. But you know what? Once he's in the midst of the bird cage, had I not said anything, I don't know that you really would have paid that much attention. So this little bird is going to go in my spring decor for the bird cage. Now, I found something else that I thought was kind of cute, and I haven't decided exactly where I'm going to put it, but it may be in the window. This was $2. Is that not the cutest thing? Two little hearts for hubby and I. I thought that was so cute, and I think I had considered making it a part of our wreath and having some things in there. But in addition to that, I also found a pink dogwood. Look, for $1. Is that not wonderful? Now I'm thinking that this would look so cute draped around those little hearts, and let it line the hearts and be a part of the design that's going to go on the wreath. So I'm thinking I might do that. And actually, I'm thinking there may be a few things that I may actually attach this to and put it together. But I think those little pink dogwoods petals are just going to be perfect. So here's our little hearts. Not going to use it for Valentine's. I'm going to make that a part of our spring decor with this little dogwood garland. And let me look down in the bag because I got one more little thing that was awfully cute. You know, I'm always doing something with my coffee bar or sitting little things in the window. And this was 25 cents. 25 cents. Is he not cute? Little herbs. And he just goes in there. Is that not precious? So, guess what? He's going to be a part of the decor as well. And so you will be seeing these things as we move along through spring. And actually, I don't know about you, but I'm tired of cold. I want to get warmed up. I want to see some warmth in this. We got cold, chilly, wintry, and as beautiful as it is, we have all of that. But guess what? No snow. Not a flake. Cold, no flake. So, I'm done. I'm over it. I am ready to move on. Let's get to some beautiful spring weather, and let's start to work with our cute little bunnies. I got my thinking glasses on, and she has her thinking glasses on. Gray for a reason. Gray. All right, so she has on her reading glasses, and I have on mine. And we are going to start decorating for spring. So stay tuned, because something beautiful is going to come out of this. So, blessings to you and yours. I can't wait, because spring is in the air. Have fun.